No, John, don't fucking do that. Give it back.
What do you do? What do you do? Did he hurt baby Brett? Huh?
He grabbed the leg and made me
Dude!
Wait, did he take your baby?
Yeah, and it fucking probably shake it up. Where's his baby?
That's fucking.
He fucking grab it and shake it around.
That's fucked up.
He grabbed my baby and shake it around.
John. This is fucking childish.
I'm doing some shit.
Because he knows we're doing good and he wants to fuck it up.
Simmons, come out. I'm gonna do the same shit to you guys. You guys fucking plan this shit, I'm gonna do it sooner or later, so fucking come out. Fucking assholes. Now you're hiding like a fucking pussy. I'm coming out. You're gonna have to come out sooner or later. I'm gonna do the same shit or worse. I'm gonna do the same shit or worse.
What?
I'm gonna do the same shit or worse.
So then
That was a piece of shit move that you did.
Okay.
Yeah, fuck you.
Okay.
I think Simmons had a heart attack in there. He's been there like for an hour.
Yo, Simmons, this is Jed. Yeah, could you come down to the basement with me for a sec? I know you have the baby in your hands. I won't interrupt that. You can keep the baby. I'm not going to take the baby. But come down to the basement for a moment.
Can I? Can I take the baby?
This shit is fucking stupid. See, they planned that shit. Look, why would he fucking have that there?
Easy. I'm gonna do the same shit. Fuck you, bitch. You fucking planned this shit with him. I'm gonna do the same shit or worse.
What happened?
Putting my money on
You know what happened? You fucking
money.
planned it up there. Why
Fucking
were you having the
selfish.
bathroom for a fucking hour? Because you fucking planned it with him. Don't act fucking stupid.
And he told you to stay in there.
What
And he
happened?
put the
You
chair.
fucking
You fucking know, bro.
Don't fucking act like you don't know what
That's
happened.
not what I asked him. That's not what we discussed.
Why were
Fucking
you hiding
stupid.
there then?
That's not what we discussed.
What did you discuss?
What happened other than just your baby?
What? That's all that happened to me. What else would happen?
What else happened?
That's all that happened to me.
Really?
Yes. Really.
John!
Hold on. Can we pick this up where we left off in like 20 minutes? I just need to.
That's not what we discussed.
What did you discuss?
I guarantee you
What did you
that's not what we
discuss?
discussed.
Then why
Nigga
were you
fucking
hiding?
teammate and check, bro.
I had him there for a
He's
different
fucking
reason.
being
Wow.
childish.
That's not what we discussed.
What did you discuss?
I will tell you.
Well, say it then.
You want to fuck up our chances because we're the best ones. And y'all are the fucking last ones because y'all don't fucking take care of
What did you
kids.
discuss?
So nothing else happened other than that.
Why are you acting so stupid? What did
Were
you
you playing
discuss?
something else?
Why were you hiding there for an hour?
I didn't hide him there for an hour.
Yes,
I hid
you
there,
did.
I hid him there for a different reason.
What?
Why?
I will tell you.
Because of the
Well,
book?
say it.
I will tell you.
Say it.
Where's John?
Why you gotta see it from him?
I will need
Simmons,
to. I will need to.
I made a mistake. You can tell them what we
Bro,
talked
you're
about.
pissing me
Doesn't
off.
matter.
You're fucking pissing me off, bro.
John, why did you throw their baby?
I didn't throw the baby.
You fucking shook it.
Simmons,
Tell them
it was a
what happened.
mistake. I did not do nothing to the baby. I did
Why
it.
you lying?
Okay, go ahead. Keep speaking over me.
What are
You guys
you
gonna
doing?
talk? You guys gonna talk about it? You guys gonna fucking talk? You guys want to show me? You guys want to scream? Like an animal.
You're the fucking animal. You're fucking. You're the fucking animal. And you're fucking stupid. And you're a piece of shit.
Yeah, go ahead. Feel free to argue, but no.
You're a fucking piece of shit. I've been there. I have your back. You got me.
Yeah, go ahead.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Go ahead. Say it.
Fuck
Go
you.
ahead. Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep
Yeah.
saying it.
I am.
Yeah, good.
And what?
Good for you. Nothing.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Yeah, say whatever you fucking want, bro. I don't give a fuck.
Fuck you.
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna do the worst to your baby.
Okay, go ahead. I don't give a fuck, bro.
Fucking retarded piece of shit.
Next time, maybe you should listen.
No, what the fuck am I gonna listen to? You grab the fucking baby and ran. What am I gonna listen to?
Keep speaking.
Dumbass. And it was all a plan too. This fucking dumbass was hiding in the bathroom for like 30 minutes and he didn't want to come out because John told him to stay in there.
We thought he was in the bathroom for a completely different reason. We didn't even know that it was part of the baby plan. Yeah. Just want to make sure everything's cool.
I mean, this is gonna fuck up our rating and stuff.
We'll look into it.
It just pisses me off. We've been trying to be good. We took turns last night.
I didn't sleep all fucking last night just for this
You
stupid
drank two of
shit.
those fucking triple shot shit. I mean, I don't want to fucking go home. I'm not going home because of him. It's fucking stupid, and he doesn't even want to be here.
Just let me finish my check and then I'll tell you guys what's going on, okay? I just want to walk around and make sure everything's good.
You tell him Mama Bear Sylvie.
For real. I'm wearing the fucking hat too, dude. You don't piss me off. I
feel like
even confront
you're
you.
the type of mom to just pull up in a pickup truck and just be pissed, like, this fucking
Let's go get him. Let's go get him, boys. Let's go get him.
Yeah.
Go get him, baby Brett. You don't fuck with baby Brett. You fuck with me. You fuck with mama.
Bruh.
Hey man, that's Mama Bear, huh? Alright.
Heard that, baby Brett? No. Get my
Y'all don't ever say this stuff to John's face.
I just fucking did.
I just did. What do you mean? He was upstairs like a pussy. Won't come back down.
Come back now. You can talk all the shit you want to me.
Okay.
I don't mind it. Want to talk some shit?
Yeah, you're childish as fuck, dude. Last night you were talking about your impulses and you want to change them, and then you do some childish shit like this.
Yeah?
Yeah, it makes me think different of you.
Well, this wasn't an impulse. It was planned. I made a mistake. That's why
It was planned, but it was a fucking mistake. How stupid are you?
If they were different,
What?
then why would he be holding their baby? It doesn't make any
Well, if
sense.
you don't want this thing, that's okay. That's okay, guys. I'm gonna
Listen,
do
you're
this. Hey, I don't know, guys. That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
I didn't think you were that retarded, but you are more retarded than I thought. Stupid piece of shit. Fuck you again.
What are you gonna do?
Oh, I'm not in here, obviously, because I'm not gonna fucking get kicked out because of you. Retarded piece of shit. Back me up. Back me up. Back me up. Do it. Do it.
I don't need you anything.
You're fucking stupid and retarded. You're more retarded than I thought. Fuck you.
Say what you want. Think about how you're looking. Well,
Think about how you're looking. Fucking more retarded than you are.
Thank you. Thank you for saying that, buddy. How do you feel about that?
I feel great.
You feel good?
Say to your
It's
face
good.
all the fucking
I'm
stupid
glad.
shit that you
I'm
are.
glad you feel
A
good.
dumbass and a piece of
Oh,
shit.
yeah.
I've been here for you since day one. When
Yeah.
you were talking shit about everyone, I was there listening to you
yeah.
like a dumbass, and now you're
Oh,
here
yeah.
doing this stupid shit. Fuck you
Yeah.
and go to hell.
Me, go to hell.
That's how you are
Okay.
looking, like a fucking fake ass bitch that you are.
Oh, yeah?
Yes,
Fake
You talk shit about them, you talk shit about bands, but then you want to say it to their face. You're a pussy and a piece of shit.
You did the same stuff.
I listen to you. You told me. You told me. You told me. You told me.
Yeah.
I'm not listening to shit. You talk shit about them, but you want to say it to their face.
Okay.
I don't know what the fuck
I
you're
said-
saying, bro.
You have not said anything. No, you haven't. No, you
You're
haven't.
gonna spell your street name,
Yes, I
bro.
have.
That's fucking strong.
Yeah, go ahead. I don't give a fuck, guys.
You're the fakest piece of shit.
Okay, thank you. You done yet? Or you still want to keep going?
Maybe I'll think about it.
Okay, yeah. Think about it.
I will.
Yeah.
You retarded piece of shit. Go to hell.
Okay, is that all you got? Is that all you got?
I got more, but I don't want to waste my
No,
time.
go ahead, go ahead, go
Piece
ahead.
of shit like you.
Well, obviously you're still wasting your time. aren't you?
Well, because I feel like I don't waste any time that I want, but that I want. Not that fucking
yeah.
retarded piece of shit like you want.
You guys still want to keep saying what you were saying to me?
Bro, I didn't say
We already
it.
know
I'm
what
fucking
you
listen.
said.
I'm not
You're
here
a
for
piece of
I'm
shit.
fucking scared of confrontation.
Sorry. I can't hear that you both yelling too much at the same
Oh
time.
yeah, because you're a fucking pussy. You're a hypocrite. You
Uh-huh.
talk shit about them. You talk shit about Vance, but then you don't want to say it to their face.
Nah.
You're a
I've said
pussy.
everything
You're a
that
pussy. No,
everyone
you
said.
haven't.
Maybe
No, you
you
haven't.
weren't down here when I said it to
No,
them.
no, you
But
did not
I'm
say
not
that. You're
afraid to
lying.
say anything to anyone.
Then why don't you say it?
I have.
No, you
everything.
All that you said about Daniel about you said it?
Well, I talked to Daniel. I told him I didn't like about him. He told me he didn't like about me.
Yeah, but when he left, you still kept talking shit.
I kept saying he's going to come back. Because I knew he was going to
No,
come back.
you
But you
piece of shit.
so fucking
stupid.
You guys
You're the only stupid piece of shit here.
Yeah, exactly.
Stupid, retarded piece of shit. Yeah.
You think so?
I believe so.
Okay,
sure
good.
actually.
Everyone, bro. The whole chat. Everyone, bro.
Okay, good.
People are looking at how fucking fake you are. How fucking think of a bitch you are.
Exactly. Okay.
Yeah, you know
Yeah,
what?
it's good to keep fucking with my shit. But don't fuck with my shit.
Well, I'm gonna fuck with your shit now. I mean, I will. I will.
Do it.
When you're watching, I will.
Go ahead. My shit's wiped up.
When I want
It's wiped up. Back up your floor.
I will.
Are you better than before?
Yeah, right now.
My shit. Go ahead. All I hear is talk.
And I will hear from you because you're a big guy.
No.
I'm gonna do it.
My stuff's wiped up.
No, now.
My stuff's wiped up, buddy. Exactly. You're not going to do it.
I'm gonna do it. You too scared. Yeah, bro.
You too scared.
Retarded piece
Bro,
of shit.
my stuff's right there.
Do it. When I feel like
you're not going to do shit. You know why? You're too scared.
Scared of what?
Yeah, bro.
Scared of what? Scared of what?
Go ahead.
When I feel like it.
Go ahead.
When I feel like it.
Exactly. You're not going to feel like it. Go
I
ahead.
am gonna feel like it when
Do it.
I want to, not when.
Okay. Okay, buddy. Yeah, walk off. It's about time you walk off. Keep walking.
I can do what I want.
Yeah, you can do what you want. Yeah, go ahead. Walk off, buddy.
No, I'm gonna
You know, you're going to take my idea?
I'm gonna say.
Oh, well, I thought you were going to take my shit.
When I feel like it, retarded fake ass bitch. Retarded fake ass
Is that all
bitch.
you got? You keep using the same shit, bro.
Because that's what you are. You're a retarded fake bitch.
Right. At least I'm gonna land my word.
None of your words. You fucking talk shit about everyone, but you don't say it to their face because you're a fucking pussy.
Obviously, you're too stupid to realize when I'm talking to people.
No, I've seen it. You better
Are you my watch?
I've seen it.
No, you don't.
Yes, the fuck hell
you don't. Nah.
Let me separate you. I want you to tell me how you're feeling separately. Can we split up into different rooms, cool down for a second?
Josie, I am sorry.
If he wants to leave, he's okay. I'm okay with it.
Bitch, you
But I'm
can
just
leave.
invite you. Exactly, bro. Exactly.
Exactly what?
Yeah, you don't want to leave.
Why would I leave?
Exactly.
What would I do?
You don't want to leave? You say you're gonna fuck with my shit, but you don't. Do it
No,
then,
right
bro.
now when I feel like
Yeah,
it.
go ahead.
You think I'm gonna listen to
Go
your
ahead.
retarded ass?
Do it.
You think I'm gonna listen to your
Oh,
retarded ass?
well, I guarantee you're not gonna do shit, bro.
I will.
Yeah.
But when I feel like it,
you're not gonna feel like it. Look, you're clearly not doing it. You're never gonna feel like it, bro.
Oh,
Go ahead.
You think I'm scared of you?
I don't think you're scared of me.
Ben?
Yeah.
Ben?
Go ahead. Do it.
When I feel like
You're
I'm
next to leave, John.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Take my
when
shit.
I feel like
Go ahead.
When I
Take my
feel
shit.
like when I feel
Go
like
ahead.
when I feel
Go
like
ahead.
when I feel like
When are you gonna feel like it?
Whenever I feel like it.
And confident.
You know what? Go brush your teeth. Take a shower.
Exactly. Back the fuck up. Walk off.
Go ahead because I can't
Walk
stand the smell. I can't stand the
Go ahead.
Mr. I brush my teeth once.
Go ahead. Fuck off. Go ahead. And walk off. Oh, you can't walk off anymore, can you? You stuck to me like glue.
I don't want to stay there. Smell your
Okay, walk off then, Brett. No one's forcing you to stay here. No one's forcing you to stand here. Thank you. Keep walking. Keep walking. Knock it off. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, what's wrong? We can't leave you now? You start to like glue, aren't you? You say you can't stand me, then you come back every time you come.
I can't stand the smell.
Bro,
I can't stand
if you can't stand the smell, no one's forcing you to stay here. Walk off, buddy.
No, I don't want to.
Exactly. Well, you don't want to.
Go take a shower instead of talking shit. Go take a shower, brush your teeth. Go take a shower, brush your teeth. Go take a shower, brush your teeth.
Go ahead. Walk off. Keep on going. Keep it moving.
Yeah, because you're gonna gain anything. I'm not gonna gain anything for being here with the
Exactly. So walk off. Walk off. Bro, you can't even catch me. I get one focus around your
Yeah,
body.
exactly, because you're gonna fucking run away.
Now walk off. Walk off, buddy. Walk it. Walk it.
Can I ask you guys what happened on camera?
Walk it. Walk
I
off.
literally don't know.
Yeah, because that's not always
Walk off. Thank you. Good boy. That's a good doggy. Good doggy. That's a good little doggy. Hey, what's wrong, doggy? What's wrong?
Nothing is wrong. Your smell. Your smell.
You're not getting. You're not getting, doggy. You're not getting. Oh, you're not getting, doggy. Yeah.
Daniel and Joseph, you must retaliate from Jude. Only lost from Jimmy.
Then shut the fuck up.
Get on getting, doggy. Get on getting.
You look so
I need to talk to them. I need to talk to them.
Well, go back, child.
Whatever you want. I'm gonna see how you guys feel. You have to walk off. No, you walk.
Because you're fucking retarded.
Exactly, bro. You can't do shit. Yeah, fucking walk off. There you go. That's a good boy. Good boy. Thank you. Thank you for being a good boy. Walk off now. Keep going. Don't look back. Keep going. Don't look back, buddy. Keep going. Sorry, what do you say? I can't hear you. Keep going. Keep going.
Go Team Hog smite that fake Christian hog wild.
Bro, if we weren't in here, we were fucking punching in his fucking face.
But yeah, on purpose because they knew that we're doing good, that we're doing the best.
Mauro finally stood up to that rude, ugly bully Jon. Thank you so much. Jon is so pathetic, it's not even funny. Pathetic, desperate little boy. Shut the fuck up, Jon. This is why you got jumped twice.